Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Have Windows updated and your laptop plugged in or at least 20% battery. Sign in with your Microsoft account so licenses and settings sync. This saves time later. Once signed in, open the Start menu and type the Microsoft app you need, Word, Excel, Teams, or Microsoft Store, and press Enter. Make sure to pin frequently used apps to the taskbar for faster access. These first steps get the system and account ready, so installations and activations proceed smoothly. Next, install and activate. Open Microsoft Store or go to Office. .com/setup and choose Install. Once the installer runs, follow prompts, pick installation location if offered, and monitor free disk space. Low storage can break installs. Sign in with the same Microsoft account during activation so your license links correctly. If prompted, paste a product key. After installation, immediately check for updates inside the store or app settings and allow any restarts. This sequence prevents activation errors and keeps apps current and stable. Finally, configure preferences. Open settings and adjust account sync, privacy options, and update preferences to control bandwidth and restarts. Enable OneDrive and choose folders to autosave so documents sync across devices. This prevents data loss. Make sure Office Autosave is on in app settings for real-time backup. If something goes wrong, like activation errors, run the built-in troubleshooter under Settings, Update and Security, Activation, and sign out and back in. That often resolves license or sync issues without reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.